Actually, ma'am, nakaka-sad nga po na nangyari na meron na talagang identified na dalawang factions. Kasi nagsimula po ito lahat, we were really united in solidarity to show our unwavering love and support doon po sa ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. After the meet and greet ng 23 po, there seems to be parang an effort to control individuals, especially me and Aldo, which actually is one of the individuals na na-mention dati spokesperson namin. So ma'am, ako po kasi wala po akong grupo, wala po akong any affiliation or whatnot, kasi nga po ayaw ko talaga ng drama, gulo or ganito, because nalaman ko kasi ma'am, yung mga grupo-grupo, they are very prone to solicitation or donation, yung mga ganun. Ayaw ko kasi mahaluan or ma-associate yung pangalan ko ma'am sa mga money making whatsoever na sinasabi ng karamihan. So actually before sinabihan ako, why don't you join us sa grupo namin ganito. Sabi ko, it's okay. Okay lang po ako on the sides lang po ako kasi gusto ko lang po magpakita ng suporta bilang isang ordinaryong mamamayan.
Nindot. Kanindot sa interview na si Alvin sa 1PH. Pinahula 1PH. Yes. Bakit pinin Alvin i-focus yung video nun? I-focus mo sa ibang mamaya. Dudahan. Sus. Ari. Ito na, interview sa Alvin. Maminaw tang Alvin. Interview niya sa 1PH. His love.
Nagsimula na yung
confirmation charges.
Dili lang sa tayo lang.
Sabi natin si Alvin Zarzate.
Dito kapilido ay Zarzate. Pangmayang.
Diyan ako nag-stand up for Alvin. Nag-stand up.
Wait lang.
Tayo para mag-recorder. Na-miss ko naman bigla. Pero before that, papadilo mo natin ang belated happy birthday si Alvin. Kasi sa iyong birthday.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat din po at nabigyan niyo po ako ng opportunity para may pahayag din po ang to weigh in what seemed to be the issue. Maraming salamat. At sir, balik ka na dito sir. By the way, I'm really in front of the ICC detention facility. In fact, we are waiting for the family who's going to go inside. And then just magbigay ng konting mensahe, ipaabot kay President, dating Pangulo Rodrigo Roa Duterte, at hopefully paglabas nila, mabigyan tayo ng opportunity ulit na magtanong ano yung reaksyon ng dating Pangulo.
Yes. Ako nakakamiss din dyan sa lugar ng Alvin kasi sa totoo lang, ang namimiss ko lang yung saya kapag nagpipiknik kayo.
Correct.
Sa totoo lang. Pero yun nga, nahaluan nung weekend na.
Ayan guys, pogi ni Alvin. Okay guys, watch for 1PH now. Yes guys, the page 1PH live interview while watching from live. Opo, Duke.
Yes,
Yes po. Temeros, kabalo lagi kami.
Hindi siya actually sir about sa Humba, but it was diminished into the mere very good Filipino dish.
Jimmy, may interview pa
Kaya
siya.
During my life, I expressed, sinabi ko talaga, hindi po ito about sa Humba lang. Unfortunately, yung Humba na highlight siya doon sa nangyari sa mismong birthday ko. Actually po, totoo po yung sinabi ni Spokes, no? Yung dating spokesperson ni PRRD, na wala po talaga akong naiambag doon sa handaan na yun kasi nga po sorpresa po yun ng mga kababayan natin na nagmamahal sa akin dito. Actually, I wasn't supposed to be there kasi nga I have some prior appointment, so I actually canceled that kasi sinabihan ako, you need to show up, you need to be there because these people really prepared. Yung iba pa sir, galing pa yung Germany, nagluto ng paksiw kasi gusto ko sa yung paksiw sir at na isda at saka doon nga, merong humba, merong cake, meron na lahat. So I really arranged my schedule to be present there kasi nga hindi naman lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity na mag-celebrate ng kanilang birthday doon mismo sa what we call a very historic location, Duterte Street. So I really took the time to be present in in celebrating a very special day of my life. So yun po.
Pero, Alvin,
Alvin, si Maricel to.
Yes po, ma'am.
Gusto ko lang malaman kasi yung ina-explain niya.
Wait lang, guys, ha.
yung topic kahapon.
Wait lang guys, kasi si Alvin in-interview ng 1PH. Opo.
Sabi niya, meron kasi parang dalawang faction. Duterte supporters. Na yung sana yung sinubukan.
Wait lang guys, dito lang kami kaya mag-aantay kami sa ano, ni KTK.
Pinagpugatan ng tao.
Actually, ma'am, nakaka-sad nga po na nangyari na meron na talagang identified na dalawang factions. Kasi nagsimula po ito lahat, we were really united in solidarity to show our unwavering love and support doon po sa ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. After the meet and greet nung 23 po, there seems to be parang an effort to control individuals, especially me and Aldo, which actually is
Apo.
one of the individuals na na-mention dati spokesperson Harry. So ma'am, ako po kasi, wala po akong grupo, wala po akong any affiliation or whatnot, kasi nga po, ayaw ko talaga ng drama, gulo, or ganito, because nalaman ko kasi ma'am, yung mga grupo-grupo, they are very prone to solicitation or donation, yung mga ganun. Ayaw ko kasi mahaluan or ma-associate yung pangalan ko ma'am sa mga money-making whatsoever na sinasabi ng ng karamihan. So actually, before, sinabihan ako, why don't you join us sa grupo namin, ganito. Sabi ko, it's okay. Okay lang po ako on the sides lang po ako kasi gusto ko lang po magpakita ng suporta bilang isang ordinaryong mamamayan. Nagawa ko pa lang ganoon, parang they took it as a form of disrespect because I am not obeying what they wanted to happen. Sabi ko naman, I came here in my capacity as a private citizen, so I will be here in my capacity as a private citizen.
Go Alvin.
Wala naman po akong problema sa mga grupo-grupo at wala po akong problema ma'am sa BDS at sa na organization or sa pangkalahatang BDS individuals na sumusuporta kay PRRD. Ang akin lang po ma'am, ayaw kong ma-shackle in what seemed to be an organization kasi nga I hate it when people try to manipulate me on paano ba ang dapat kong gawin, because the same group also expressed their disappointment kung bakit kami araw-araw dito sa labas ng ICC detention facility or dito pa kami una sa Duterte Park. Sinabihan kami
At
na
least
bakit
kani
kayo nandiyan,
actual ni
nakakaya
siya.
kayo mga Pilipino kayo, dapat meron kayong proper decorum, bakit kayo nagkakainan, bakit nagsasayawan. Ang explanation ko naman, it is already inculcated in the
Sino?
culture of Filipinos. Nabahaan ka na, nasunugan ka na, at kung ano-ano pang nangyari na trahedya, Filipinos will always find a reason to smile and to carry on.
Magbit tayo guys kasi nga pa-surprise ngayon ang darating kung sino darating ngayon. Ala?
Kasi lalong-lalo na po yung pumupunta pa galing sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. They come here, of course they express their feeling na talagang they were sad, but also they are happy to be present and to show their unwavering love and support to the former
Wonder Virginie,
president at
ate.
makikisa sa mga kababayan na nandito.
Darating na
That's
daw
why
yung ano.
they bring with them food,
Ikaw na lang,
sometimes they
Wante.
also purchase
Wonder
other things
Virginie,
na pwedeng mapagsaluhan.
parating na daw.
Magiging-
Narami din sa kuan Wonder
Ang
Virginie.
problema po kasi, there is an effort to control individuals
Sir,
para po
give me your roots.
sila lang po ang ma-highlight. Wala po akong pakialam kung sino po ang ma-highlight, ma'am sir. Ang akin lang po, main concern ko lang, is ipakita yung pagmamahal at support ko sa dating Pangulo in the ways I am only capable of doing or carrying. Kasi I am not a lawyer. I cannot influence the judicial proceeding. And it has already been expressed multiple times by the lead counsel and
po
also
tatay,
by the
abi na una na.
through the family member visiting. After the visit, sabi ni PRRD, you respect the judicial proceeding because knowing that PRRD is a lawyer, gusto niya din i-respeto natin ang proseso before the ICC. So yun po ang that's where I'm coming from. Wala pa akong problema kahit anong grupo. In fact, I was
Wala
able
akong
to work
karupot.
with different leaders from DDS or MAISOG, especially with the events that we organize because this is a show of solidarity and unity. Wala po akong problema kung mayroong grupo ang iba or ganito. I can show up there as well in my capacity as a private individual. So yun po ang sort of very in-depth explanation kung bakit po merong factions. Meron po factions. I think it is normal in this particular scenario, ma'am. Kasi meron naman talaga gusto sila ang mag-lead. Ang iba naman gusto nila na sila ang ma-recognize. Wala po akong pakialam kung mag-lead kayo or ma-recognize kayo because I'm here, kahit mag-isa lang po ako, from initially what happened before on that fateful day of March 12,
Bye, Sir
mag-isa
Ron.
lang po ako out from my own volition, pumunta po ako sa labas mismo ng ICC because iniisip ko kailangan merong Pilipino doon na mag-show up para maipakita kay PRRD na hindi siya nag-isa dito sa battle na kinakaharap niya, which many of us viewed as a political persecution po. So,
Sorry, kasi si Attorney Harry Roque na parang sa peace meeting.
Malamig yan.
Ha? Wala pa.
Sorry. Gamay mo dito yan sa kanan.
Gamay nga sa kanya nila. Kasi mauna
Siya
ni.
lang.
unfortunately, ma'am, I was not able to
Wala ta, mauna na siguro.
join that particular
Ang pulis,
meeting
padulong na.
because of, my
Pulis.
schedule. Hindi talaga
Pulis,
siya
oh.
allow. Those times na parang in-organize yun ni Attorney Harry. These individuals na gusto ipa-organize po na magkaisa kami ni Attorney Harry, I already expressed this to those individuals na I cannot work with them because ito po yung individuals na sinabihan po ako na NPA ako, alive po ako sa NPA, nag-e-exploit po, ganito ganyan, malaki daw yung mundo ko, ganito ganyan. So I just don't wish for me to be associated with these individuals, but I can be cordial with everyone. I
As long as
support
can I police.
whatever organizations that are going to spearhead. Kung ano-ano man yung mga events, ma'am, I really make it to a point na hopefully makapunta ako doon because I also have a job. I also study here, so I try to balance everything. And at the same time, I am very much, consistent and determined to make sure that I will be there until mapauwi po si PRRD sa Pilipinas. Unfortunately, sorry, go ahead po.
Ito lang kasi nag-live.
Yes, ako mismo, sir, I am... No, wala man ako problema dito kay Maharlika at saka kay Attorney Harry Roque, sir. I expressed that with Attorney Harry Roque na, Attorney, why do we always find ourselves like parang nag-aaway over something kasi, nung nangyari sa birthday ko, sir, it was not even my doing. I'm not even aware na meron palang post na gano'n or ganyan. And then, nabaling na lang
Hala,
sa akin that
ate,
I should be
siguro to ni Agi dito,
responsible
naka-green.
of the post of somebody that's associated to me. Sabi nga, I need to make a stance with what is
Dili ba?
right and
Whether-
wrong.
sir,
That's why I also asked the same question. Maharlika also wrote so many wrongful things against me. I did not even bother asking Attorney Roque, can you please make Maharlika stop from all of the things that she is doing?
Pero kita ako dito,
Sinabi niya
te.
sa akin, why this particular logic not applicable to me and Aldo? Sinabi niya, because we are young. We cannot compare ourselves to Maharlika. From the very beginning, I welcomed Maharlika and also Attorney Harry Roque here in the same way that I welcome all of our kababayans. But I don't know to
Hala.
some extent nangyari po, nagsimula po talaga yan tuon sa issue ng pinatayan ng microphone hanggang it evolved and it morphed into I don't know what it is already, constant attack on whatsoever. But
Wait lang,
I
guys,
think
kay-
it's the process because I think this is the journey that I'm currently in. So, in as far as me having problems with Attorney Roque
Janie.
or Maharlika, I'm
Murag kita,
cordial with
amor-amor mo
everybody
siguro
because I respect everybody's
Green.
differing views.
Kita kong green, murag na iyo.
Yun talaga ang
Nag-bike.
decision ko bilang isang tao at
Nag-bike man din siya.
ordinaryong mamamayan.
Sa imong kontak?
Wala, kay Wonder with Jenny.
Okay lang po kasi
kontak mo si Wonder.
decision din naman yan ng individual. Pero hindi ko kasi gusto
Wonder with Jenny,
yung
inanamin sa
i-impose
32.
akin yung point of view na ito lang dapat ang gawin. So that's why I tried to make it, okay, go ahead. Gawin nyo yan, wala po akong problema dyan. Basta hayaan nyo din po na gawin ko din yung gusto kong gawin na pag-support at pagmamahal kay dating Pangulo. So I think this is a matter of differing views at saka I don't know, siguro I am very much accustomed to the Dutch way na wala kasing hierarchy dito, sir. The regard to power here is very, very little. Even the Prime Minister, nagbibisikleta lang po yan, and if you have something to say to the Prime Minister, you're able to express it directly. So, yung regard to power ko is very, very low din actually. So, parang na-adapt ko yung kultura dito sa Netherlands na wala po akong pakialam kahit sino po kayo, but I am very cordial in my approach with everyone. I'm very much respectful and grounded with how I want to be treated also by these individuals. So, yun po. Hello po.
May hapon ito
Ha?
Alvin, kahapon, kausap namin si Attorney Harry Roque, di ba, na-mention ni Joey.
Yes, po.
Tapos, nagbahagi siya, pinahagi niya sa atin na meron pong activities even before the confirmation of charges.
Yes,
no?
yes.
So, kasi starting off sa 19. So, paano yan? Kasi may...
Ate,
Yung isa,
ate.
may isang...
Bato sila dito. Pag ingon basa na muabot dito, kuha alang.
Actually, ma'am, wala po akong problema. In fact, during the 5th month, celebrate po namin, nagkaroon po ng prayer vigil. August 10, meron po sana dapat kaming event, pero nag-release po sila na magkaroon ng event sa August 11. So, sinabi ko sa mga individual na katrabaho ko sa mga pag-organize sa kami, sabi ko, doon na lang tayo sa August 11 para isa na lang at mag-focus kami sa September. Kasi kung ang nalalaman ko po, ma'am, starting September 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6 days, meron pong events. Nagsimula po yan sa 19, iba po yung, I think it's the same organization ang nag-spearhead niyan. Also 2021, I think the same. Yung sa amin naman po, 22 to 24. In as far as I am concerned, ma'am, I actually, how to say that, encourage everyone to join these specific events para po, kasi this is not about me or the other organization or other people. This is about us showing our unwavering love and support to the former president. Ang focus po dito dapat ay yung dating Pangulo, hindi po ako or si Spokes or sino pa po yan yung organization na nag-spearhead, because we are only operationalizing the idea of showing our unwavering support and love to the former president. I keep on reiterating po, that's why I even said sorry, because the pettiness, parang persistent yung pettiness ng mga issue. Over, nabalita pa siya sa headline, kaya sinabi ko talaga, my God, Humba, why would you even put that on the mainstream media? But it's already there, it already happened. Pero in as far as the events are concerned, ma'am, I will make sure that if my schedule allows me or permits me to do so, I will be present there. Even if there are supposed or perceived hostilities na treatment towards me, I don't care, because my main objective, and it has been my objective from the very beginning, is to be there to support or to show my unwavering love and support to the former president.
Okay, so hopefully makita ka namin dyan.
Yes. Yes, sana po pumunta kayo dito kasi meron talaga mga events starting 19 po. Hopefully you'll be able to cover that. We are also asking the international media to also cover these activities. In fact, yesterday, sir, meron pong engagement with a Dutch media. And I also encourage you to please release this information also to all of your other colleagues or other companies or media outlets.
Thank you,
para to spread and make increase awareness po dito kay PRRT.
Thank you, gang. Wonder.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Syukran po.
Good job, Alvin. You're the best. Excellent.